Hi guys, it's time to school. With me, brother, me. Okay. School is a place to gain knowledge. The knowledge gained is not only from the teacher, but also from the surrounding environment, including friends in the class. When carrying out learning school activities, students can learn each other. Whether to add something, borrow things, take them to the library, and so on. This time, I will share some expressions or sentences in the school environment. Okay. Here we go. You got a glass? You got a class. Kamu ada kelas. How was school? How was school? Bagaimana sekolahmu? Why were you absent? Why were you absent? Kenapa kamu gak masuk? Are you sure of your answers? Are you sure of your answers? Apakah kamu yakin dengan jawabanmu? I'm not sure of my answers. I'm not sure of my answers. Aku nggak yakin akan jawabanku. I have to prepare myself for the exam. I have to prepare myself for the exam. Aku harus mempersiapkan diriku untuk menghadapi ujian. Don't you have a class? Don't you have a class? Kenapa kamu gak masuk? How was class? How was class? Bagaimana pelajaran di kelas tadi? You did your homework. You did your homework. Apakah kamu sudah mengerjakan pekerjaan rumahmu? I'm overloaded with homework today. I'm overloaded with homework today. Pekerjaan rumahku banyak sekali hari ini. You have to read the theory and the method and the rest. You have to read the theory and the method and the rest. Kamu harus membaca teori dan metodenya dan lain-lain. I can't be late again. I can't be late again. Aku nggak boleh terlambat lagi. How was the exam? How was the exam? Bagaimana ujiannya? Wait, I'll go with you. Wait, I'll go with you. Tunggu, aku akan berangkat sama kamu. I forgot my book. I forgot my book. Bukuku ketinggalan. Don't walk too fast. I can't keep up with you. Don't walk too fast. I can't keep up with you. Jangan berjalan terlalu cepat. Aku gak bisa nyusul kamu. Hey, you can't sit there. That's my desk. Hey, You can't sit there. That's my desk. Hey, jangan duduk di situ. Itu tempat dudukku. I'll get you a seat. I'll get you a seat. Akan kuambilkan kursi untukmu. You forgot to tighten up your button. You forgot to tighten up your button. Kancing bajumu ada yang terbuka. You can't cheat in the exam. You can't cheat in the exam. Kamu gak boleh nyontek saat ujian. Lay up for a minute. You can't study all day. Lay up for a minute. You can't study all day. Istirahatlah sebentar. Jangan belajar terus. Who's tutoring you? Who's tutoring you? Siapa yang mengajar kamu? English is not my thing. English is not my thing. Bahasa Inggris bukanlah keahlianku. She's the best in the class. She's the best in the class. Dia adalah yang terbaik di kelas. She's the head and shoulder in the class. She's the head and shoulder in the class. Dia adalah yang nomor 1 di kelas. She has a memory like an 11. She has a memory like an 11. Dia memiliki ingatan yang sangat kuat. He always yells out the answer. He always yells out the answer. Dia selalu meneriakkan jawaban. What a smarty pants. What a smarty pants. Dasar tukang pamer. I heard she's good at writing. I heard she's good at writing. Ku dengar dia pintar dalam pelajaran menulis. The examination is around the corner. The examination is around the corner. Ujian sudah dekat. I studied overnight for the test. I studied overnight for the test. Aku belajar semalaman untuk menghadapi ujian ini. He's a fluent speaker of English. He is a fluent speaker of English. Dia lancar berbicara bahasa Inggris. What class are you taking now? What class are you taking now? Kamu ambil kelas apa sekarang? My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English. Mata pelajaran kesukaanku adalah bahasa Inggris. You don't go to the class. You don't go to the class. Kamu gak masuk kelas? I think I'll cut class today. I think I'll cut class today. Kurasa aku akan bolos hari ini. I failed the exam. I failed the exam. Aku gagal ujian. I didn't study serious enough. I didn't study serious enough. Aku nggak begitu serius belajar. It's no wonder she got A. It's no wonder she got A. Gak heran kalau dia dapat nilai A. She's the teacher's pet. She's the teacher's pet. Dia adalah murid kesayangan guru. Okay guys, that's the expressions in the school environment. Hopefully it's useful, especially for me and commonly for the students and for you all. Thank you very much for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.